In an effort to engage the non-Ahmadi Muslim community, a dialogue was held in Iwan-e-Tahir on Thursday, December 19th. This event was held under the auspices of Department of Tabligh. The topic of this dialogue was Sunni and Ahmadi brothers in faith. Missionary Ahmadiyya Muslim Jamaat Canada Ansar Raza Sahib presented the Ahmadiyya perspective, while Saadat Ahmad Anwar Sahib presented the non-Ahmadi side. The event was organized in the multipurpose hall of Iwan-e-Tahir, which was full to its capacity of 200. Once the hall was full, guests were requested to proceed to Baitul Islam Mosque, where the event was being shown live. The event was also being shown live on the islamevents.ca website. It was an exciting exchange of views. Both speakers presented their point of view in a passionate and interesting manner. After the event, MTA spoke with speakers who shared their impressions of the event and said,
The event was very good. People were very tolerable, and they listened everything very patiently and diligently, and with the whole sincerity, absorbing everything. So, Alhamdulillah, this is the first step, and I hope that we will, inshallah, do more of this kind.
Okay. Hello, my name is Sadat Anwar. I'm a Sunni Muslim who came here today to have a friendly debate with Mr. Ansar Raza Sahab. And I think it was definitely a successful evening. There was a large turnout. Everybody listened very patiently and with an open mind to both sides. And I think that this is a good initiative, and we should be doing more such events and more debates in the future.
An opportunity was given to audience to ask the speakers questions and get direct answers. Despite the large number of attendees, it was a spellbound exchange of opinion. Some of the audience members had this to say about the event.
Just attended this event, and alhamdulillah, I thought it was very good because we've initiated a dialogue.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Naeem Muhammad Khan. I'm a Sunni Muslim. The way the debate was conducted, the way the audience responded, and the way it was all set up, I really appreciated it. I wasn't expecting it to be this good, but it was very formal. The audience were really good.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Ali Hussein. The brotherhood, the camaraderie is necessary in these times, and I like the invitational nature, the open invitational nature of these lectures.
Shahryar Sheikh, Imam of Masjid Qurtaba, Scarborough. I would like to say that as an audience member, I was very impressed with the debate. The debate went very, very well. Both spoke very well. And please, from me, make sure that you do watch this debate if you haven't already. It certainly had an eye-opening remarks from both sides.
Missionary in Charge Canada, Maulana Mubarak Nazir Sahib thanked all those present. Refreshments were served afterwards. Sayyid Mukarram Nazir, MT International Jamaat News, Masjid Baitul Islam, Toronto, Canada.